Grandpa Bill, story time with Grandpa Bill. It's Grandpa Bill's story time. Yay! Hi, I'm Grandpa Bill. Welcome to Grandpa Bill's story time. Come on in, make yourself comfortable, and we're going to sit down and read a good book. Okay, our story today comes out of this book, Adventures of Little Bear, by Else Homelud Minark. Pictures by Maurice Sendak. Oh, this is nice stories. I like Little Bear. So this is the next story in this book. Let's see, this one is called Hiccups. Looks like Papa Bear is reading a newspaper. Little Bear was happy. Father Bear was home. He was in his chair reading. Yeah. Remember, before when we were reading, Little Bear's father was away out in the ocean fishing, and now he's finally home. Cat, Duck, Hen, and Little Bear were playing with the seashells. They were trying to hear the ocean. I hear it, said Cat. So do I, said Duck. I do too, said Hen. I do hic too, said Little Bear. Hic, he said. You have the hiccups, said Cat. Have some water, Little Bear, said Mother Bear. So Little Bear had some water, but he did not stop hiccuping. You ever get the hiccups? They're kind of funny. Hello, everyone. Owl was at the door. Hello, Owl, said Mother Bear. You are the very one for us. You are always so wise. Water will not stop Little Bear's hiccups. What can we do? Well, now, said Owl. Water is very good, but he must hold his breath, too. Hic, said Little Bear. Hic, how can I hold my breath, too? Hic. You can, said Owl. Try. Little Bear did as Owl said. See, said Little Bear, no more hiccups. He was hiccuping again. This always works, said Cat. And he gave Little Bear a slap on the back. Oof, said Little Bear. That's not any good. He still got the hiccups. Someone is by the door, said Cat. Someone is coming in. Little Bear laughed. Look at that, he said. It's only Duck and Hen. Did we make the hiccups go away, said Duck. Oh, they're trying to surprise him. No, you did not, said Little Bear. Father Bear roared. There's too much noise in here. Who's making all that noise? He looked at Owl, Cat, Hen, and Duck. How can I read with all that noise? He asked. And he looked at Little Bear. Noise? Said Little Bear. I was only hiccuping. He's trying to read his paper. What was that? said Father Bear. Hiccuping, said Little Bear. I was only hiccuping. Father Bear laughed. Hiccuping, he said. I can't hear any hiccups. But I was hiccuping, said Little Bear. All right, said Father Bear. Hiccup for me. But Little Bear could not do it. Maybe his hiccups are gone. Come now, said Father Bear. 1, 2, 3, hiccup. No, Little Bear could not do it. Well, well, said Father Bear, I guess he can't hiccup anymore. Why should he? Said Mother Bear. Who wants hiccups anyways? Said Hen. That's right, said Cat and Duck. Who wants hiccups? Owl said, you can still stop them my way. Little Bear didn't really try. They all laughed, and Owl laughed too. You just have to know how to do it, said Owl. That's right, said Father Bear. You just have to know how to do it. The end. Aw, he finally got rid of his hiccups. Well, thank you for sharing this story with me today. Come back again for more stories with Grandpa Bill. Goodbye.